In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Dcent all-in-one card wallet. It's a very convenient hardware wallet. Dcent is a hardware manufacturer. I've made a dedicated video about it, so let me show you what they are about. Now you guys know that I'm a big fan of hardware wallets and I actually have a few of them. The latest addition to my hardware wallet collection is that of Dcent. And before we dive into their product line, I want to quickly take a moment to talk about the company behind Dcent, which is IOTrust Corporation Limited. Now the company has been established in 2017 with the goal of enabling everyone to conveniently manage their digital assets and safely enjoy blockchain services. In the following year, they have released their first biometric authentication cold wallet. Now a hardware wallet or a cold wallet is a physical device that is designed specifically to store and secure cryptocurrency. And these wallets are offline, meaning they are not connected to the internet, which makes them less susceptible to hacking. Now hardware wallets are typically small and portable, making them easy to carry with you on the go. They are also relatively easy to use as they typically have a simple interface and can be connected to a computer or mobile device via USB. Now one of the main advantages of hardware wallets is their security. Because they are offline and not connected to the internet, they are less susceptible to hacking. Additionally, hardware wallets typically have a number of security features, such as PIN codes, recovery phrases and biometric authentication to further protect your assets. Now it's the most safest way to store your crypto in comparison to storing your crypto on an exchange or on software wallets. Right, back to IOTrust and Dcent. Over the years they have grown to a user base of over 200,000 people in 220 countries. Now in June of 2022, Dcent was actually recognized as the company with the nation's best security technology in Korea and was selected as a baby unicorn for its innovative business model and growth potential, which is a great achievement of its own. Right, so now that you've got a basic understanding of Dcent, what they are, we are going to set this up. But before we do, let me tell you that I will be giving away one this month as well. All you have to do is leave a comment down below saying I like Dcent and then join our free Telegram, leaving the same message I like Dcent, and that will make you eligible for this month's giveaway. Right, let's get to it. So if we open up this, it says start, please tag your card to smartphone to activate mobile app. Please change factory setting PIN number printed in card to your number. So let's take out the card and they actually sent me two. You might have seen, but the second one is a backup card. So I'm going to leave that as is right now and I'm going to move on to the next step. For more information, please scan the QR code and refer to the guide. Just tap against your phone, that's all you need. So for this, I need to get it out of my case because my case has a metal plate behind it so I can attach it to the dashboard of my car, and then that prevents the NFC technology from working, right? So here we have my phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock my phone and I'm going to tap the card against the back of my phone. And watch what happens. It automatically takes me to the Dcent crypto wallet app. I'm going to hit install and then I'm going to open the app and then securely protect your cryptocurrency with the Dcent wallet. Next screen, easily access and use DeFi NFT services. And then the next one, making payments is easy and fast with Dcent. Now let's go to the site again. Please review the terms and proceed. App terms, app privacy, app personal information, agree to all. Let's hit continue. Have you used Dcent wallet before? No, I'm a new user. Please choose your Dcent wallet type. If you don't own a Dcent hardware wallet, please choose app wallet. Now we have a card type hardware wallet, so that's the last option right here. And now I need to set a password for user authentication to the app. So I'm going to set a password and then we need to re-enter it. And then it asks me, would you like to use biometric authentication? I'm going to click enable and then it says, please enter password or scan your fingerprint. I'm going to authenticate my fingerprint and then it says tag your card wallet. So that's where we need the card again and I'm going to tap it against my phone like so. And then it says please wait, the PIN must be changed. Initiating wallet sync, please wait. Now it gives me a prompt saying backup card wallet. Use the card backup menu in the manager tab to create a backup image of your card wallet for safekeeping. While you do not have the backup image and if the card is lost or damaged, all assets in the wallet will be lost. So I'm going to click I understand. And now it shows me my wallet, which has 0 tokens and coins in it, obviously, because we have just set it up. But this process is extremely easy. Now it prompts me that the PIN must be changed, right? So that's what I'm going to do, because the back of this card has a factory standard PIN, and the backup of this card actually shows you your address as well for the EVM compatible tokens, right? So let's change the PIN real quick. So let's click. And then it says change factory PIN. Factory PIN on this card must be changed. The factory PIN can be found by scratching off the masking on the back of the card. For security of your wallet, please change the PIN to your secret PIN. The menu for changing card PIN can be found in the Manager tab. Change now. And then the card PIN is different from the app password and is stored inside the card wallet. If changing PIN for the first time, the factory PIN can be found by scratching off the masking. Okay, so let's click start. And now I need to enter the card PIN, so I'm going to scratch off the PIN code that's on the back side of this card. And now that I know the PIN, I'm going to enter it inside the app. And then it requires me to tag the card to my wallet again. And then it asks me to fill in a new card PIN, which consists of 6 numbers. I need to re-enter it again. And then it requires me to tag my card again. Card PIN has changed. If you forget your PIN, you will not be able to use your card wallet. Make sure to remember the changed PIN. Okay. Now it prompts me to back up my card wallet. So I'm going to click backup. And it says make a backup image of your card wallet. While you do not have the backup image, and if the card is lost or damaged, all assets in the wallet will be lost. Use the card backup menu in the Manager tab. Backup now. Now let's create a backup image because we don't have one. So create backup image. If you do not back up your original card wallet, you will lose all assets due to loss or damage. Be prepared by creating a new backup image. If you have your original card, press the start backup button below to proceed. So let's click start backup. Tap your original card wallet. So that's the first one to the back of your phone again. And then it says backup is possible. It shows you your address and the available backup number is 10 remaining times. Right, let's click next. Please enter a password to encrypt the backup image. Now here's where things get interesting, because if you lose your password, you lose access to your funds. So I suggest you store this backup in a very safe space. And it's important to know that the password must be more than 4 characters and under 8 characters combined in alphabets. And then once you've entered the password, let's click next. And then it says enter card PIN. So we need to fill in the PIN that we've created a minute ago. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to show you with the top cam obviously. And now I need to tap my original card again. And then it says please keep the card backup image below in a safe place and make sure to remember the password you've set. Now I can share the backup image, then click close, and then let's go back to the Manager again. So in the Manager you can change your card PIN, backup a recover card, scan a new card. We see the card info, we can buy one, we've got the Academy and the user guide. Let's click back. We've got a notice, change the factory PIN, card backup and recovery can be found. Switch wallet mode, biometric card or app wallet. Right now we're in the card wallet. We can change the language, the local currency, etc. I'm going back to my wallet, and here it shows my wallet and all the tokens that I have. So if you want to send your funds, just click the token, in this case Ethereum, and we can click send, receive, details history or hide account. We've got an NFT tab, collectibles, you can manage NFTs from various networks here. View my collection, there are no NFTs right here. We've got insights, so we've got top 7 real-time trends, we've got CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. So this gives us a very nice overview about all the things that are happening in the market right now, price-wise that is. We've got the Discovery tab, enhance your security with Dcent biometric wallet. We can buy cryptocurrency, we can swap. We've got the FTSO portal, Sparkles NFT, Clay Swap, Swap Scanner and so on. So there's different types of apps here. And then we've got the settings in the right menu. So that concludes the video about the Dcent all-in-one card wallet. Like I said, be sure to enter the giveaway and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!